So you've got a solid gun and holster and you're ready to carry every day. There are 3 more things that every concealed carrier needs to improve your handgun skills and potentially save your life, and you're probably missing them. What is up, guys, and welcome back to Modern Protector, where we talk about the skills, the tools, and the mindset that you need to protect yourself and your family. Let's get right into the 3 things that every concealed carrier should own. And be sure to stick around to the end because the last one is definitely the most fun. The first is pepper spray. Pepper spray is that perfect weapon when a verbal command is just not working and using your gun is not at all justified. Pepper spray is the perfect weapon against an aggressive dog, an angry drunk, or someone who just wants to punch you in the face.
Right!
A gun is a great tool, but it is not the right tool for every self-defense encounter. Pepper spray is something you're much more likely to need. The one that I carry every day is from Palm Pepper Spray, and it's got some quality hot sauce. I'll put my affiliate link for them down in the description. The next one is a trauma kit. If you are not carrying a trauma kit, at least in your car, then you're wrong.
That is so wrong. Funny, but wrong.
And I am not talking about a boo-boo kit with band-aids and sunscreen. I'm talking about a kit that is designed to deal with life-threatening bleeding. This could be from a dog attack, a gunshot wound, a stab wound, a car crash, or a hiking accident, really anything where someone is starting to bleed to death. I've been carrying a gun for 10 years now, and I've never had to draw my gun in self-defense, and I hope I never have to, but I have had to use my trauma kit 5 different times. The one that I recommend and have in my car every day is the Yellowstone Trauma Kit from Mountain Men Medical. This one is perfect to take to the range, to take hiking, or to keep in the trunk of your car. My daughter was actually attacked by a dog several years ago, and I wasn't even there. She was with my wife, and I was really thankful that I had a trauma kit in the trunk of every one of our cars so that I could walk my wife through where it is and what to do with it. Before we get to the one that is by far the most fun, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to tweak your everyday carry setup to get it just right, I made something just for you. My concealed carry starter kit is everything that I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun. Check it out in the description down below. All right, the last thing that every concealed carrier should own is a shot timer. I'll be honest, I did not even know that this thing existed when I first got into concealed carry. I thought if you just had a gun, then you were good.
I'm not a smart man.
A shot timer is an awesome gadget that gives you a beep, and then it starts a timer to measure your speed. This can be your speed in drawing and firing one shot, or several. This one is from Zohan, and it just clips onto your belt, and it's super simple to use. How quickly you can draw your gun and get hits on target is kind of crucial in winning a gunfight. Training and practice with a shot timer can not only help you improve your speed, but it is such a fun way to challenge yourself and your friends with running drills under pressure. The tools that you carry and the gadgets that you use are so important, but skills are so much more important to actually being a protector. Let me know in the comments, do you have all of these or are you missing one? And if you don't have them all, then what are you waiting for? If you gain value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.